Anything kind of back below
filled.
the overnight high. I mean, if you're aggressive,
Order
it could be a
filled.
potential short back below 33.75. Again, kind of right or right out type trade. Again, up here, it's a little bit trickier. But look, now we have a quadruple top. Look at where today's high is, 42.35. That's a weak high as well, because now it's a quadruple top. Remember, yesterday's high, overnight high, and Tuesday's high, all at 35. Now, NASDAQ fading. So NASDAQ's fading. That pivot proven to be some resistance. Anything below, you can use that open or a 1 minute bar. If you're aggressive for the NQs, long above, short below. And that 1 minute low is already down there at like 24.50, but the open, again, watch that open. The gap fill, meaning we just went to yesterday's settlement in the NASDAQ is right here. The settlement for NQ 16 quarter yesterday. Pivot, I'm sorry, prior day's low, 808. The pivot's up here, of course, at 842. Could be a bounce of prior day's low. Keep an eye on that. If that doesn't hold, then 796. Look for a potential bounce. That is the VWAP. All right, so far, a little bit of a pop and flop. A little bit of a pop and flop. Come on, Coop, get up. Now, Coop was interesting, folks, because that thing, remember, I was watching it very intently. I said, if this thing breaks 215, man, I'm probably going to have to get out of the trade. And look what happened yesterday. Almost an hour straight. 215, 215, 215. 215.06, right? I mean, I was literally ready to dump this stock. And I got so lucky. Like, I've never been that lucky before where the stock hit an important level that I was watching. Again, 215, 215.10, 215.12, 215.01, 215.02, 215, 215, right? And now the stock's 218. So now remember, I'm long this thing from 221.19, so it's still against me a little bit, but I did sell the 232.50 call for tomorrow for $1.05. Now, it's not a lot of money, but it's $1.05, and it lowers my basis to, to 220 bucks roughly. So that's good. Now, Coinbase, I sold a put yesterday. I don't know if you were here or not, but if you weren't, I sold a put at Coinbase, a 210 put for $2. Now that thing is worth 35 cents. So that's going to help, at least I hope, get some of that money back. And there you go. All right, and here we go, right? They also, again, they're taking advantage of the lunacy out there. They're doing a 5 million share at the market offering for $300. I mean, can you imagine, like, you're on the board and you're the CEO and, like, your stock was dead, not making any money for years and years and years, and all of a sudden the dude from Citron Research said, I'm going to short this stock, and I know short positions, I'm going to tell you how and why, and this going from 40 to 20, and then a couple days later it was $500. I mean, people forget, in my opinion, he's the one that really started this whole thing. It's just my opinion, of course, but Andrew Left was like, I'm getting short GameStop. I know position better than you, and, I'll show you that this thing should go from 40 to 20, and it was literally right here he said that.
Filled.
Huge mistake not adding to those winners. I mean, I guess I put the stop just a little too tight on some of these, but whatever.
Order filled.
Dougie Fresh caught it. He gave us a trade down there at 199, 200 bucks. Friggin' thing's 267. That's what I mean. You hold on to a big winner, folks, for months. You get paid.
Order filled.
Anyway, NASDAQ new highs. Apple, kind of putting a little cup and handle almost. Maybe a little inverted head and shoulders almost. A little bit of shelf here, whatever. I don't know.
Order filled.
Not setting the world on fire, but still over $125. Netflix, total dud. Netflix, total dud. Not participating. NVIDIA just waiting for that next leg higher. New all-time high a couple days ago, 712. Google, right, ripping another new all-time high in Goog. So anybody that's long Google, as long as it stays over this prior high here, 2431, you're good. But stock today went to 33, now pulling back. But another new all-time high in Google. Softy, yeah, looking good. And Tesla, extremely choppy, but up to 14 points. Anyway, NASDAQ now playing some games up here. It's got to kind of stay below 55. If it can kind of break back down below 48, we could, like I said, get a little bit more of a pullback short term. There we go. There we go. Yep.
Order filled.
So NASDAQ flipped from long to short. Well, it's flipped a couple times, but anyway, another nice little topping tail in the futures as well. Triple topping tails here.